Good morning, everyone. Police DAV Public School welcomes you all to the virtual class of Environmental Science. I hope you all are healthy and happy. In this video, we shall continue Chapter 11 Directions. Learning outcomes are: through this topic, you will be able to identify the instrument compass, explain what is a compass and how does it help. You will be able to draw the diagram of compass, explain the North Star that helped the sailors to locate directions at sea in olden times. You will be able to identify intermediary directions. In the last video, I told you to do this activity, but beta responses nahi aaye. Please do this activity and send it to your class teacher. Last time, I told you that the sun always rises in the east direction, and you learnt to locate the other directions with the help of sunrise. Now you will learn about compass, what is it and how does it help us. Let's watch this video.
See what my father gave me. Oh wow, a magnetic compass. Do you know what is it used for? Oh yes, a magnetic compass is used for finding directions. Tell me how it works. The red needle of the compass always points north. Once you know where north is, you can find the other three directions. How? Imagine yourself standing like this. Now look, if north is above your head, then your right hand points to the east. Your left hand points to the west. And your legs point to the south. So, the four directions are north, east, I forgot. To remember the four directions, use the word news. That is north, east, west and south. My father said that sailors use a compass. That's right. In the sea, you can only see water all around. So, sailors use the compass to find out the direction in which they are sailing. Also, pilots use it to find directions up in the sky. Look, the sun is to our left, and the compass shows that on our left, it is west. Oh yes, the compass is right. The sun always sets in the west. And when the sun sets, it's time to go home.
Just think, if there is no sun in the sky, there are clouds, or it's night time, then how would you locate the directions? अभी आपने वीडियो में देखा compass. It's an instrument that shows directions. तो compass जो है वो हमें हर सिचुएशन में directions locate करने में help करता है. Now look at the compass. It has 4 basic points. These points are at the top, at the bottom, on the right side and on the left side of compass. The point at the top is marked N, that means north. Point at bottom is marked S, that means south. On the right side is marked E, that means east, and on the left side is marked W, that means west. So, north, east, south and west are 4 cardinal directions. Compass has a head and a tail. Head is marked red, that always points towards north, and the tail towards south. आप वर्ल्ड में कहीं भी चले जाइए, जो कंपास का रेड एरो है वो हमेशा नॉर्थ की तरफ ही पॉइंट करता है, और जब हमें नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन पता चल जाती है तो उसके राइट साइड पर ईस्ट है, ये भी हमें पता है। नॉर्थ के अपोजिट साउथ है, वी नो दैट, एंड अपोजिट टू ईस्ट इज वेस्ट। आई नो कि अब आपका मन कर रहा होगा कि आप कंपास देखें। आपको पता है आजकल मोबाइल फोन्स में भी कंपास होता है। लुक एट दिस कंपास विच इज इन माई मोबाइल। मोबाइल में कंपास होने से कितना फ़ायदा होता है। जब भी हम कहीं जाते हैं तो हम अपने मोबाइल में से कंपास से डायरेक्शंस लोकेट कर सकते हैं। मैग्नेटिक कंपास वाज इन्वेंटेड बाय चाइनीज। Pilots find their way in the sky with the help of compass. They find the directions to land aeroplane with the help of compass. Sailors also use compass to find directions in water. Do you know, in olden times, the sailors at sea followed the movement of the sun during the day and the stars at night for directions. डे टाइम में सन की मूवमेंट फॉलो करते थे और नाइट में वो स्टार्स की। ओल्डन टाइम्स में सेलर्स नाइट में नॉर्थ स्टार की हेल्प से अपनी डायरेक्शंस को लोकेट करते थे। नॉर्थ स्टार को पोल स्टार भी कहते हैं। नॉर्थ और पोल स्टार इज द ब्राइटेस्ट स्टार एंड इट स्टेज एट अ फिक्स्ड पोजीशन all night. Let's revise important points of this chapter. Directions help us to reach our destination without getting lost. There are 4 cardinal directions: north, east, south and west. Always remember the word news to learn these 4 directions. N for north, E for east, W for west and S for south. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Magnetic compass is an instrument to show the directions. It was invented by Chinese. It shows 4 cardinal directions. The hand of compass always points towards north direction. North Star is also called pole star. It is the brightest star. It stays at a fixed position all night. In olden times, sailors followed it to locate the directions at night. Now, I would like to give you additional information about intermediary directions. Intermediary directions are northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Northeast is represented by NE, northwest by NW, southeast by SE and southwest is represented by SW. Intermediary directions are the directions between cardinal directions. Between north and east is northeast. Between north and west is northwest. Between south and east is southeast. Between south and west is southwest. Activity for today is draw a diagram of compass in your notebooks. अपनी नोटबुक्स में कंपास की डायग्राम आप ड्रॉ करेंगे। आपकी बुक में पेज नंबर 75 पर समथिंग टू डू है, वहाँ से आप पिक्चर देखेंगे and you will find the cardinal directions of school, shop, bicycle, street light and truck. That was all about directions. Thank you. Have a nice day.